Struggling to find where to create a connected app in Salesforce? Learn the exact 11 clicks to set it up in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through each step, from the gear icon to the final Create button. Follow along in your own org. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type App Manager to locate it. Now, click on App Manager from the search results. In the upper right corner, click New External Client App to begin creating your connected app. Type a name for your app in the App Name field. Then click into the API name box, and it will automatically populate based on the name you entered. Now, enter a contact email address for support or notifications. Next, click the drop-down arrow to select a distribution style. For this tutorial, choose Packaged from the list. Finally, click Create to finish setting up your connected app. That's it, you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.